So, how to create your own quilting party. Guirlands is this called in English, vlaggetjes in the Netherlands. It's part of the Quiltify Everything class because it's a good way to let everybody in your community contribute a little bit to a quilt. And together you make a long guirland to party with. So how do you do that? You do that by everyone making an individual guirland. I've made the size here. It's and you, as always, you work with a template. The size. I'm going to show you how to make the basic guirland, and then later I'm going to show you how you can adapt the sizes to the 5 patterns you've learned. The basic size is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10 by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 24, which means that you can just draw it on graph paper and cut out the template. This is without seam allowance, so once you mark it on fabric, you do it with a 0.5 centimeter seam allowance as you've learned. You do 2 of them, you sew them together, then you turn them inside out, and that is how you have your basic guirland. And you have specific stuff to make the guirlands, but you can also use lint. I don't know what to call this in English. But first I can show you the guirland. This is the basic shape. And usually I quilt on the line, and you can also quilt like or embroider nice shapes on the guirland. But you do it inside out. And then you can see the seam. And the nice thing is that you can also do this with the clothes of somebody you've lost, you want to remember, or with good memories, like for example the scarves from Scouts. You can put them on a guirland and then you'll be remembered of the good Scout time. If you use a lint, you just fold it in, it's easy. I already did an example here. You see I did some zigzagging to make it strong, but you can also do it by hand. And I also zigzagged the lint itself. You basically take your shape. You decide where you want it to be. Put it in the half. Then you put the guirland on top. You put the pins. You sew it together. And it's done. This is how you make a quilting party for everyone. Where everybody of your community can be a part of. In the later lessons I will show you some adaptations and some deep dive into quilting techniques, so you can practice that. But for now, have fun with the party, people. Bye.